Hi, it's Zach, and I'm really excited to bring you today's deal on the Frost Kit by Alpha Outpost. Now, a little background on Alpha Outpost. They put together these kits, and they all have themes to them. And this one, Frost, is aptly named because it's for cold weather situations. And they've packed this box full of a bunch of survival gear, but what's nice is that a lot of this stuff you can use day to day. Now, we're gonna do a little unboxing here and show you everything that comes with this kit. So we have a pamphlet here that gives you a little bit more information on the Frost Kit itself. Then you have a Frost patch, which you can use to stick to any sleeve or backpack, or if you have a hat that has a hook and loop patch, you can affix this right to it. You also have these really awesome heat packs. Now these are good for up to 8 hours. They have one for your toes and for your hands. So you can use these by simply sticking them in your shoes or clasping onto them, or you can actually stick them in your gloves for extra warmth. That'll come in handy if you ever are out in the cold. Now here's one of those items, like I mentioned, that's great for everyday use. It's a beanie, and what's great about this is that it is super high quality, and it even has that hook and loop patch on here, so you can put different patches on there. You can use the Frost patch on this. It's just a really nice gray beanie to use during the winter months. You've also got some coffee instant. You can add this to some hot water for some immediate coffee. It'll warm you up on a really cold day. Now this is cool. This is actually a waterproof bag that you can use to stick your wallet, your smartphone, any of your electronics in here and keep them out of the elements so that they don't break. And what's awesome about this, as you can see, you can roll it up and clasp it together, and you can use this to affix it to your backpack, your bug out bag, or you can actually wrap this around your wrist and take it with you on the go. Now inside this little bag you actually have a emergency blanket, and it is huge, so you can definitely fit your entire body in here to keep you warm, and it's made out of a special material that's way better than Mylar. It's quieter. If you've ever used Mylar, it's super crackly. This is gonna cut down on that noise, and it doesn't tear like Mylar either. It actually stretches, and what's great about this material is that it's gonna insulate the heat from your body and keep you really warm in those cold weather situations. You also have a microfiber towel. Now, keeping warm is about keeping yourself away from that cold weather, but also staying dry. So this is really absorbent. It's great for wiping up any wet spots that you have on your body. This is really, really useful. Now here's another one of those super useful everyday items. It's an insulated bottle. Now this is great because you can put hot beverages in here like coffee, so you can actually take that coffee instant and make it right in here, and it's gonna keep it warm for hours. Or you can put water in here and keep it cold for hours. I actually use this all the time. And last but not least, you actually have this super useful emergency shelter tent. Now if you're stuck outside in a cold weather situation, nothing is going to be more vital than getting yourself out of the elements, and this will allow you to do that. Now at the bottom of the box, you'll notice that the packing material that they use is this thin ribboned cardboard material, which would make great kindling for starting a fire. All right, that's everything that the kit comes with. As you can see, it is a complete kit full of essentials for your bug out bag, especially in those cold weather situations. And the really nice thing is that it comes in this box, which is great because you can stick it in the trunk of your car and have it with you at all times, but it also makes a really great gift item for all those outdoorsy people on your shopping list. You can just get this box in, wrap it up, and you're good to go. We have a fantastic deal on this. We actually bought a closeout from Alpha Outpost, so we got a bunch of these, but stock is limited, so you're gonna wanna head over to the site and stock up today.